Hello everyone, my name is Nana and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube part 4, which is PLL, which is permuting these green pieces to let it be solved. So let me give you an example. Okay, here's the scramble. So first I can do the cross, which is pretty easy, like that. And now to the F2L, F2L, here's the pair. Alright, third pair. And with the fourth pair. And go on to the OLL. And here's the step. The permutations of the last layer. You can permute these pieces around to let it be solved. And I got this case, which I know the one look algorithm, which is like this. Like that. And the PLL that I'm going to show you today is the two look PLL, which you use maybe three algorithms I think, to solve the case. Let's do an example. So the first thing you're gonna do is so if you see the headlights, put them on the right. As you see, headlights and right, light and right. Light rhymes with right, so you put it on the right and you perform this algorithm. This is similar to the fifth case of the OLL that I showed you in the previous video. That's similar to that, but it's not the same. It goes R2, an X rotation, and an R2, D2, R, U, R prime, not RU2, R prime, it's only RU, R prime, and then D2, and then just finish it off with a similar thing again, just RU prime R, not RU2 R, RU prime R. And there you go. We have all the headlights around the cube. If you have some case like, I don't know, this, where there are no headlights, like this, you can put any face to the right and you can perform the algorithm. X, R2, D2, RU, R prime, D2, RU prime, R. And then I see a pair of headlights, so I can move it to the right and do the same algorithm. R2, D2, RU, R prime, D2, RU prime, R. And now I have the headlights are around the cube, and I have a solved bar here. Now, on to the permuting the edges. You'll have 3 or 4 edge pieces unsolved, or even no corner pieces solved. No. Or even all edges solved. I have this case. So if you have the 3 like this, you're gonna put, so if you have the 3 like this, you put the solve bar on the back, and then you look where the opposite headlights are. So basically, opposite headlights are the headlights with the middle color on the opposite side. So I see it's on the right. So if it's on the right, you do R. So right, you do R, and then continue with U prime, R U, R U, R U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And it solves, so PLL. And now for the similar case, which is like this, where the solve bar is on the back and the headlights, opposite headlights, are on the left this time. You do L prime, U, L prime, U prime, L prime, U prime, L prime, U, L, U, L2. And now for the 4 edges not solved, so you can do one of the algorithms for from any positions. So I can do the UA perm, which is the R1, like this. So now I see that this headlights are in the right, and I can do the algorithm again, and it solves PLL. And for the last case, it's this one, where if I do the algorithm, I can see that it's the same thing. So the opposite headlights are on the right, and the solve bar is in the back, and do the algorithm, and it's solved. Okay, and this pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up with my new videos, you can just subscribe to my channel. If you want to just go ahead, and if you want people to solve the Rubik's Cube, you can just share this video. Good luck, everybody, and see you in the next video. Bye.